lot of people say I give them anxiety from my cooking style. Yellow. I think you should look at it as my chaotic style still gets good results. So life doesn't need to be perfect. So don't stress. Well, I need a graham cracker crust. I don't have graham crackers, but I found these. Let's take the crumbs. Ouch. We need 1.5 cups of crumbs. Only a little extra, so I'm gonna add it in. And then 1/4 cup of granulated sugar. I always do a little bit less. The zest of 1 lemon. They didn't say what we're making. We're making lemon blueberry bars with a graham cracker crust. And 6 tablespoons of melted butter, basically melted. We should be pouring this into an 8 by 8 inch square pan, but this is what we're working with. Press it down and bake 350 for 10 minutes. We need 2 egg yolks only. 2. I love pouring sweetened condensed milk into things. Add a teaspoon of lemon zest. If you add more, like me, I'm not gonna say anything. And you'll need 1/2 cup of lemon juice. There's a lot of seeds in it, so I'm just trying to strain. Shoot. Mix until combined and it starts to thicken up just a little bit. Add in 1 cup of blueberries. Fold them in. It's baked and cooled, this crust. Bake for another 15-17 minutes until it's just set. Like, I'm not nervous to take this out, but I'm not nervous. Woo! This is what it looks like. It's like a lemon bar, but more custardy.